Good evening, Sanskruti.
Good evening, sir.
Sanskruti, first of all, introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Sanskruti Madan Raut. I am from class 3rd C. My school name is Swiss Academy Proposed ICSE School in Parbhani.
Very nice. Sanskruti, tell me which are your favorite subjects?
My favorite subjects are English and Science.
Very nice. Now, Sanskruti, I would like to tell you one thing that we have to speak in English from morning till evening. Okay. Do you like to speak in English?
Yeah,
Very nice. Now, Sanskruti, I will tell you few Marathi sentences. Are you able to translate these Marathi sentences in English?
yes.
Very nice. उठ,
Wake up,
तुझे दात घास,
brush your teeth,
आंघोळ कर,
take a bath,
नाश्ता तयार आहे,
breakfast is ready,
नाश्ता कर,
have breakfast,
दूध पी,
drink milk,
तुझा गणवेश परिधान कर,
wear your uniform.
तुला उशीर होत आहे,
You are getting late.
शाळेत जा,
Go to school.
तुझा जेवणाचा डब्बा घे,
Take your tiffin box.
बूट घाल,
Wear shoes.
तुझी शाळेची पिशवी घे,
Take your school bag.
तुझी शाळेची बस आली,
Your school bus has come.
तुझा दिवस चांगला जाओ.
Have a nice day.
व्हेरी नाईस. यू आर स्पीकिंग व्हेरी नाईसली. काळजी घे,
Take care.
कपडे बदल,
Change your clothes.
दुपारचे जेवण तयार आहे,
Lunch is ready.
दुपारचे जेवण कर,
Have a lunch.
तुझा गृहपाठ पूर्ण कर,
Complete your homework.
टीव्ही किंवा मोबाईल पाहू नकोस,
Don't watch TV or mobile.
तुझे इंग्रजीचे पुस्तक वाच,
Read your English book.
पप्पा मला शाळेत जाऊ द्या,
Dad, let me go in school.
पप्पा मला बागेत जाऊ द्या,
Dad, let me go in garden.
पप्पा मला देवाची पूजा करू द्या,
Dad, let me worship the God.
पप्पा मला इंग्लिश न्यूजपेपर वाचू द्या,
Dad, let me read an English newspaper.
पप्पा मला माझ्या आईला मदत करू द्या,
Dad, let me help to my mother.
पप्पा मला सशासोबत खेळू द्या,
Dad, let me play with rabbit.
पप्पा फळे खाऊ द्या,
Dad, let me eat fruits.
पप्पा मला 1 तास आराम करू द्या.
Dad, let me take a rest of 1 hour.
Very nice. Smile once. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you.